guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Tim Jeff's Animal Sketches Birds, a special edition colouring book. Same quality paper as all the other books, same kind of thickness. I do believe these white ones are the more frequent up-to-date books that Tim Jeff's brought out. So as I've said in previous videos, you'll see a few more of these books cropping up over the next week because I'm catching up on all books that I haven't flipped. If there's any books that I do get in between those, I will upload for that particular day. So yeah, let's get started. Birds. Who don't like birds? Sketchbook Thoughts by Tim Jeffs. The Great Blue Heron. As always, Joe Warren has coloured this one. Lesson level is easy. 6 coloured pencils to colour this one. Always coloured beautifully. Spreading awareness through colouring. Hyacinth Macaw classified as vulnerable. Learn about the birds, so you get information about each bird that's in the book. And then you get your bird's index. And we'll get started. So the first one is the African wood owl. Then we've got the Andean cock of the rock. Then we've got Bateleur, is that how you pronounce it? Blue jay. Budgerigar, or in UK we call them just budgies. The Great Blue Heron, the one that Joe coloured beautifully. Greater Bird of Paradise. Green Aracar, is that how you pronounce it? The Himalayan Monal. Hyacinth Macaw. Pesquet's Parrot, Dracula Parrot. Look at hair. That's the hair feathers. Red-breasted Goose. Ruff. Secretary bird. Sulphur-crested Cockatoo. And then you've got your Merc introduction, books that's available, and then your online resources. I will drop Tim Jeff's group in description and links to the book as well. Click that notification bell so you get a notification every time I upload any new content. If you won't mind subscribing, I'd really appreciate it. If there's anything you want me to review or flip through, drop me a comment. I will get back to you as soon as I can. As always, take care and I'll speak to you all soon. Bye.